I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not going to do too much talking because I'm still trying to recover from a cold. But I just want to let you guys know what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to be doing this DIY artwork. And I'm going to be hanging the wallpaper. And I'm going to be adding some lights. So if you want to see the progress I'm making in the powder room, keep watching.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world. In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? Let's pretend that it's a dream life. Let's pretend that it's a dream house. Let's pretend that it's all good vibes for once. Let's pretend that it's a safe place. Let's pretend that it's a safe haven while the outside just keeps fading. Oh, cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. That's where in fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world. In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary world. Can you imagine for me? I'm building a world nobody can get to. Put up a fence so finally get to. Take a deep breath, sit back and relax. Building a world nobody can get to. Put up a fence so finally.
So I'm picking up where I left off in part 1 of the powder room makeover. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description.
Yeah. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out.
Okay, friends, so this is how far I got today. I still have that corner to do, but I'm going to do that off camera. So when I come back tomorrow, it'll already be done, and I will just have to add the lighting. Well, it's the next day, and you can see that I completed the wallpaper. I still have a few imperfections, but I like how it came out. This is a DIY. Everything is not going to be perfect, but I really do like how everything came out so far. Now I'm going to change the lighting. I purchased some new light bulbs from the Dollar Tree. I purchased 2 of them, and I got the daylight light bulbs. Also purchased 2 lampshades from Lowe's. The LED picture light from Amazon. So right now I'm just changing the lighting. After I change the lights, you will see how much of a difference these lights make to the room.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid?
Now I'm gonna add the LED picture light that I purchased from Amazon.
Tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up. I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. The light. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no.
This black decorative trim that I purchased from Amazon. I'm going to put it around the mirror, and I have my granddaughter here. She's going to help me with this.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city, yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me, yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know. To be me. Let me give you this game.
Friends, so this is how far I got today. I still have to add the floors, but I like how everything came out so far. So if you want to see how everything turns out, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you will be alerted when I post a video. All right, y'all. Thanks for stopping by.